Hey everyone, ever wonder if it's your internet that's down or just the website you're trying to visit? There's a super simple way to check, and it's already built into your computer. It's called the ping command. Let me show you how it works. On Windows, open the Start menu and type CMD to open the command prompt. On a Mac, you can find the terminal in your Utilities folder. Once you have it open, just type ping followed by a space and then a website address, like pinggoogle.com, and hit enter. Your computer will send small packets of data to that server and wait for a reply. If you see replies coming back with a time in milliseconds, it means your connection to the internet is working. If you get a request timed out message, there might be an issue with your network. It's a quick and powerful tool for troubleshooting. Try it out yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.